Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what are the messages for the month of January 2022. So let's see what can be expected in January 22 for Leos. So we have the Queen of Cups, the Chariot, the Ten of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Page of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Tower, the Lovers, and the Ten of Pentacles. So Leos, a situation regarding which you are really emotional is picking up pace. Things will start moving forward. You will be ready to take some sort of action if that is what is needed right now or will be needed at that time. So things will start moving forward, and it is something which is going to give you a long-term happiness, a commitment. You will feel very happy. There is a commitment, stability, relationship, if that is what it is, which we are looking for. So this family time, recreations, happiness, stability, love, everything is this area of your life is going to pick up pace. Basically Leos, a lot of action and movement forward is expected in this direction. Then we have the Seven of Wands, the Page of Cups, and the Two of Wands. So here what I feel is there is definitely some sort of a struggle, a situation in which you are trying to defend yourself, or perhaps you are trying to take a stand in some way, shape or form. Okay, and here, so you are here, what I feel is there is a situation in which you are struggling. There is some sort of a struggle over here, and that situation is also something which, it's like you want to take a step forward in a particular direction. You are ready to take that step forward, but there is some sort of a competition there, or there is some sort of a situation which is a reason for struggle. So whatever this first step or initiative which you want to take, so you are prepared 100% to take that step forward, but somehow you are not getting the right time or the opportunity maybe. So it's like there is a struggle in that area, in wherever you want to take a step forward, whatever this area will be. Okay, so definitely there is a phase over here, there is a situation over here in which you want to take a step forward, but you are not able to do that. You are not able to move. Basically you want to move, but you are not able to because of some sort of a competition or some sort of a struggle going around. And then we have the Tower, the Lovers, and the Ten of Pentacles. So here what I feel is there is a situation again. Here we have the Two of Wands, the Tower, the Lovers. So definitely here what I feel is this situation seems to be there is a choice which you have. The unexpected situation is coming up here, and you have a choice. See, one thing is unexpected love may show up. For some of you, maybe there is, but that is what it is. Unexpectedly, love shows up and lands into a commitment. Okay, commitment, marriage, something of that sort. Stability. For some of you, unexpectedly, some such situation may come up. For others of you, somehow what I feel is it can be that you have a choice to choose like family or something else. Seems to be like that. It's like it's your choice. You stay here or you go back to your family, or you go back to your stability. That's what I feel somehow. So you want to take a step forward, and here somehow what I feel, it's something, it looks to me like this, that there is a direction over here in which you want to move forward, and unexpectedly you have a choice that you want to move or you want to stay here, something of that sort. Okay, and this seems to be something which is long term, it is committed, it is family. So either you want to go because of this struggle perhaps, so unexpectedly the situation develops perhaps that you need to take a decision over here, or you have a choice at least. You want to move forward or you want to stay here and go back to your family and loved ones type of a situation here. For others of you, it can be that unexpectedly love shows up, landing into a quick commitment, something of that sort. So let's see what is the message from this deck. Again the Queen of Hearts. So again spirituality, be in touch with your spirituality, be in touch with your prayers, your meditation, being in touch with nature, self healing, and self focus, self love. So, Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.